Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video I am going to show you this temporary fence from Tech company. This temporary fence again from Tech company. This is one of the best quality temporary fence for your pet or your garden. You can easily set it up anywhere if you need to put a temporary fence. This is one of the best quality product in the market right now. Height is 3 feet and the total is 49 feet. It comes with 9 pre-installed poles. Also the net quality is really good. In this video I am going to show you the full installation of this product, and I will show you how can you easily put it and how easy to put it, the full installation, and do a review on this product. You can find the product link in the description box. So let me show you what comes inside the box first, then I will do the full step-by-step installation. Let's do it. This is a pretty big box, friends. Let me show you first what comes inside the box, then I will do the installation and everything. So let me show you what comes inside this box. This is a pretty big box that they send, and again, as I tell you, and again, it is a pre-assembled post should be there. So the packaging box is too big, but actually this is not that big. So you can see, I was so surprised after seeing this big box. Anyway, let's open this. Be careful while you are cutting. You may cut any stuff, so always be careful on that. But the good thing is they put it one extra paper so that you have less chance to cut the net. But again, you should be careful. So you can see, so these are the stands, and it's actually everything is assembled. If you look at here, everything is assembled. That's it. It's very simple. And again, only these are the hooks for the ground. These are the hooks for the ground, and this is the net. And if you look at the quality of the net, this is really very high good quality plastic polyethylene mesh net they made. It's made with plastic, but it's very durable. As they mentioned, it's very durable. And also, like you can see, it's already pre-assembled, looks like. So let's open this one. Let's untie everything. Let me untie this one, and also here. This is very good for gardening. If you want to save your garden, this is a temporary fence. It's good for gardening. If you have dogs or animals, any pets, this is good for that. And also like chicken, this is a chicken fence. You can use it as for chicken fence, all this. So I think that's all comes inside the box. Let's install it. Let's install and see how it looks like. And it should be easy, as they mentioned, it should be easy to install. Let's do that. So let me open this one. Let me open this one, and there is an instruction guide. These are the ties, and these are the hooks for ground. And this is the main instruction guide, friends. I would always suggest you go through the instruction and do that. Here is the instruction. So they says I will follow this step-by-step instruction, and this is first unfold it and then start doing it. So I will follow the instructions and I will show you the whole setup, so that it will be helpful for you to, if you are planning to install it, it will be very helpful for you. So let's do the installation now, friends. Let's unfold it. Again, the length of this product is 49 feet. So this is very long, and they have 9 pre-installed poles. So it's already have 9 pre-installed poles. So I have to find the first head, and yep. So you can see, so this is the starting point, and you can see the poles, these are really good. It's already tied up, everything is installed. You don't need to do anything actually, everything is installed. You can see here everything is locked, and they have the foot uh, placeholder to press on it, press on the ground. So they have that placeholder. So this is the starting point. So I'm gonna start putting it first. Let me start from here. So you can see it's super easy, and it will go all the way. Done. See, installation is really easy. So I am starting from this side, friends. So you can see how quickly I am actually setting it up. Since I am doing the video and like talking, sometimes it may take little extra time. Friends, you saw how quickly I was able to put it. It took like 2 to 3 minutes to put it, and it's super easy. There is no actually special task to do it. It's just you unfold and just put it. And if you look at here, let me show you a few things. So these are the poles. Let me show you, and you can see this is stainless steel. Again, this is stainless steel, and it has the very good high quality plastics, and like the putting it is super easy. You just press it, see, done. And don't worry about this gap. They provided all these anchors to tie them, so you can use any hammer to put them, or you can just press it if the ground is soft. So you have that anchors, so that it can save, so that animal cannot go pass through the net, so it can block the animals. So they have lot of anchors, provided lot of anchors. and and to adjust this tension like this, and you like don't put the gap. Right now I put it the gap, so they put it all these clips and the stings to adjust the tension. If you can easily simply do it like sorry, so it's stuck here, and now you put this, now you fix the tension. So you can see the door is closed, you can see it is fine, the tension is fine, everything is fine. I have another one, they put a pro 2 for the last two poles, so these are the last two poles, so they put it 2, so this is fine and it is working. I didn't install both, I just applied one, and you can see how nicely it is look good. And the area, look at the area, it is very big area that is being covered. So if you have chicken or you have dog or anything, you want to put a temporary fence, this is really good. And like if you have garden and you need to put a fence, then this is really good. Let me give you one example why I'm saying this is good. Look at my this garden, look at my garden, I have a fence, I had to put the fence, I have to put the fence, and see I have this metal fence, look at this how it is. It is not good. Again I have to put all the poles, I had to put all everything, I had to pin everywhere, I had to put, like, it's not good. And it's a metal, but it's not that durability. You can see it gets fold, it doesn't look good. But if I replace right now with that one, with this one here, it will be looking good, and it has less maintenance. The way I set it up, I had to put all the poles, I had to put all the poles, these poles I had to put manually, and even I didn't put enough pole here, so it is falling down. But this one, they already provided all the pre-installed things, everything. Now just try to imagine if I replace that one with this pole, that garden will look good. So this is really looking good. And again, this is temporary. Anytime if you want to take it out, you can take it off, and you can take it anywhere. Like if you are going to beach or anywhere and you have a pet, you want to just put them in some fence, you can easily take this. This is a very simple, and you saw the box, it is very small box. You can just fold everything and you can put it here in this box, and you can put it in the car. So it's like super flexible, that's really good. Now let me show you the product. If you look at here the product, and if you look at here how they put it, so the pre-installed pole, if you look at here, it is already like hooked correctly, nicely, so nothing will happen. And even if the wind comes, if it is a strong wind, I'm 100% sure nothing will happen to this, because the wind can easily flow through the net. The net is good enough to not, like, it's wind safe, it is really wind safe, nothing will happen. So even the nothing will happen, so this is really good. And it will be very tough for the animal to even cut, because it's nice, its strength, the strength is really good. Also let me show you how quickly you can unfold it, so that you will get some idea. Oh, I have two anchors, I put it the anchors. This is really good quality, friends. If you need this kind of fence, there will be a lot of use of this. It's not only limited to the few things that I told. The use of this one is more than that, I'm pretty sure. And I'm pretty sure a lot of people have a lot of needs. so they can easily use it for a lot of purpose. I'm pretty sure on that. Since it is a temporary, that's why I'm showing you how quickly you can take it off. And you see, I'm done. I'm done. And now I'm gonna put it in the box. Done, friends. See, that's why they call it temporary. It didn't took even two and a half minutes, less than 3 minutes. The task is done. And again, I'm doing the video still. So that's quick. So that's all about this video, friends. I have the product link in the description box. Please check it out and let me know how do you like this video. If you have any thought or any suggestion, please put it in the comment box, and please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.